Hi everyone, welcome back to another video from Tutorialify. In this video, we are going to be learning how to post from Canva to Instagram. To post from Canva to Instagram, follow the steps. Launch open the Canva application on your mobile device, or you can also visit Canva website. Once you're logged into your Canva account, go ahead and create a new design or open up a recent design that you're trying to share to Instagram. After creating a design or getting your design ready, and after you are sure you'd like to share it, go to the top right corner of the screen and tap on the little sharing icon. Now from the pop-up, go ahead and look for Instagram button from the app section. After you choose Instagram, select how you'd like to post on Instagram. If you want to post the design immediately, tap on Immediately Post button. Whereas, if you'd like to schedule for Instagram business, choose the Schedule option. After making a selection, click Continue. Now, if you don't have the Instagram mobile app, you can start downloading the app by tapping the Download Instagram button. After you do that, your design will be preparing to share it on Instagram. Tap on Open when you see the pop-up that says Canva wants to open Instagram. And then you can go ahead and share your design as a story, newsfeed, or even messages. In order to post on your Instagram, choose the feed or the story option. Now you can go ahead and make necessary adjustment and share your design on your story or post it as your Instagram feed. So that is how it's easily done. I hope you found the video to be helpful. If you did, make sure to give us a thumbs up and subscribe to Tutorialify for more Canva tips and tricks. I will be back again in the next episode. Thank you for watching.